What on earth has just transpired? Another bankruptcy could have a significant negative impact on the pricing of Shiba Inu. When exactly can we anticipate some stability? The cost of a Shiba Inu is incredibly low in comparison to its peak value just 2 years ago. Why does Shiba Inu take such a heavy blow by these setbacks, and what is their precise cause? Please remain patient as we thoroughly examine the most recent advancements and reveal the true state of affairs in the Shiba Inu universe. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. However, let us commence from the inception of the narrative. A month after the very first cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund, ETF, was approved, market anticipation was palpable. There was widespread anticipation that this revolutionary advancement would incite a surge throughout the entirety of the cryptocurrency domain. Both investors and enthusiasts were intrigued to observe the impact of this action on their portfolios and the overall dynamics of the market. This occasion carried notable importance within the Shiba Inu community. Anticipating favorable price fluctuations across the entire cryptocurrency industry, they anxiously awaited the potential advantages of the ETF approval. There was considerable anticipation for a favorable trend to advance Shiba Inu to unprecedented levels, providing a ray of optimism amidst an otherwise turbulent market climate. Because, in case you were unaware, approximately 67% of Shiba Inu owners are losing money at current prices, despite remaining steadfast in anticipation of a possible bull run. And the approval of this Bitcoin ETF was anticipated to spark the next bull run in the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Nevertheless, amid the prevailing sense of optimism, unforeseen events transpired, causing widespread repercussions in the realm of cryptocurrencies and leaving the Shiba Inu community beset by unpredictability. Unexpectedly, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust decided to liquidate billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, thereby exerting considerable selling pressure on the market. This surge in supply precipitated a severe market collapse, which affected the price of Shiba Inu and induced apprehension among its owners. However, in the past few days, it became apparent that this enormous selling pressure was eventually subsiding, and Shiba Inu began to expand once more, progressively nearing the elimination of an additional zero from its cost. The Shiba Inu community was overjoyed that those trying times had at last come to an end. You would not believe it at this moment. However, something that has transpired over the past 24 hours has the potential to reverse the progress we have been making in recent days. That was an unexpected narrative twist that no one had anticipated. The difficult circumstances continue to persist. We invite you to remain tuned as we further examine the recent developments that have had an impact on the Shiba Inu community and speculate on the future of this ever-evolving digital asset. What then precisely transpired? In the midst of bankruptcy, Genesis Global Trading has recently announced a proposal to sell its assets for $1.6 billion. This may have negative repercussions for the price of Shiba Inu and the sentiment of its supporters. There is widespread concern that the magnitude of this sell-off could further depress prices, exacerbating an already precarious situation. Adding fuel to the already raging inferno of uncertainty would be an inadequate response. Holdings of Shiba Inu are on alert, uncertain of the future, and praying for some good news to offset the recent setbacks. Despite the fact that BlackRock's imminent sell-off is worse than Grayscale and trading volume combined, this is extremely negative information. Genesis' impending sell-off is a pail of frigid water. It shatters any anticipations of a seamless journey ahead. BlackRock's daily crypto investments, which surpassed $300 million, provided a ray of optimism. However, the impending divestiture of a substantial portion of Genesis's holdings has returned the situation to one of ambiguity. Comparable to retracing two steps after taking one stride forward. The glaring contrast between BlackRock's enormous movements and Genesis' impending sell-off serves as a poignant reminder of the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu community experiences an emotional roller coaster, vacillating from optimism to apprehension in an instant. In light of recent events that have generated considerable commotion within the cryptocurrency community, Shiba Inu owners are, to put it mildly, anxious. Furthermore, in light of recent events, it is unsurprising that the Shiba Inu community is experiencing apprehension. The market's unpredictability and the possibility of an imminent Genesis sell-off have understandably alarmed a great number of Shiba Inu owners. It is especially remarkable how these developments appear to have a greater impact on Shiba Inu than on other cryptocurrencies. Although other digital assets may undergo fluctuations, the price of Shiba Inu exhibits a notably strong response to market shifts, as evidenced by its immediate reaction to the most recent news. The Shiba Inu community had cause for celebration 5 months ago with the introduction of Shibarium, the project's Layer 2 scalability solution. Complementary with this significant development milestone in the project's progression was a progressive increase in the price of Shiba Inus. Ultimately, the community celebrated a triumph 2 months ago when a zero was removed from the price of Shiba Inu, signifying development and expansion. It instilled Shiba Inu investors with renewed optimism. Many of them had been clinging to their tokens despite witnessing their holdings diminish. With a current loss percentage of %, this accomplishment served as an initial stride towards reversing the trend and restoring profitability for all investors. The Shiba Inu community exuded a perceptible sense of pleasure and optimism as they courageously envisioned a more promising future for their cherished cryptocurrency. Unforeseen developments in the cryptocurrency space are unquestionably negative, as they cast an ambiguous pall over the future of Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Although progress has been achieved with the introduction of Shibarium and the subsequent increase in price, the recent upheaval serves as a reminder of the market's vulnerability and the obstacles that remain. In these times of unpredictability, it is essential for the Shiba Inu community to maintain vigilance and flexibility while clinging to optimism for improved circumstances. Nevertheless, how do whales react? At this moment, many members of the Shiba Inu community are preoccupied with this question. Furthermore, this is a crucial inquiry to make, given that speculators possess a substantial quantity of Shiba Inu tokens. Being significant project stakeholders, they are not merely impacted by market fluctuations. Additionally, they have the ability to exert influence over them. Given the immense value of their possessions, whales are especially susceptible to substantial losses during periods of uncertainty. It is therefore essential to comprehend their reactions and observe their movements. Regular investors can gain valuable insights into the market's trajectory and make more informed decisions regarding their own holdings by observing their actions. However, please remain seated as we are about to disclose the whale's response. Furthermore, I must say that it is truly remarkable. As we delve deeply into the world of whale activity and reveal the ramifications of this vast movement of Shiba Inu tokens, please remain attentive. You will not want to miss the subsequent content. Furthermore, in the context of whale activity, it is noteworthy to mention that an extraordinary quantity of Shiba Inu tokens have been in transit over the past 24 hours. $14 million worth of tokens, or an enormous $1.6 trillion, have been transferred between wallets in this comparatively brief time period. The substantial magnitude of this token movement emphasizes the considerable sway that whales possess within the Shiba Inu ecosystem and underscores the criticality of monitoring their activities in periods of market volatility. It is of the utmost importance that the Shiba Inu community maintains both resilience and adaptability amidst the turbulent market conditions of the present. A potential tactic for Shiba Inu owners is to remain informed and vigilantly observe market developments, with a specific focus on significant announcements made by prominent participants in the cryptocurrency industry and whale activity. Investors can make more informed decisions regarding their holdings and anticipated potential market movements by maintaining vigilance and remaining abreast of the most recent news. Diversification may also serve as a judicious strategy to alleviate risks during periods of market instability. While the Shiba Inu may possess considerable potential, mitigating losses and gaining exposure to various sectors of the cryptocurrency market can be accomplished by diversifying investments across a portfolio of assets. Moreover, it is critical that Shiba Inu owners establish distinct investment objectives and levels of risk tolerance. Through the establishment of clear objectives and the adherence to a methodical investment strategy, investors can prevent hasty decisions motivated by avarice or fear and preserve a focus on the long run. Furthermore, in light of the potential ramifications of whale activity on market dynamics, Shiba Inu owners may wish to investigate community-driven initiatives and collaborative endeavors within the community. Such efforts may encompass endorsing ecosystem advancements, promoting transparency, and cultivating a positive sentiment. Such actions can significantly enhance confidence in the undertaking and make a valuable contribution to its sustained prosperity. In conclusion, although the prevailing market conditions might pose difficulties, they also provide Shiba Inu owners with prospects to exploit possible profits and contribute to the expansion and durability of the undertaking. Investors can effectively navigate the turbulent cryptocurrency environment and position themselves for triumph by maintaining informed decisions, diversifying their holdings, establishing unambiguous objectives, and actively participating in online communities. However, what are your thoughts on that? Leave a comment below. I would greatly appreciate your perspective. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.